Y'all, the bees are out here pollinating the peach trees, and I've been watching them for a good little minute. I can't even find him now. Where he at? Hold on, I'm gonna have to zoom out, y'all. There you go. He digging all in it. Y'all see it? He actually digging down in it, getting what he can get, and then he going from one peach tree to the next. So when he left the other peach tree, he accidentally flew on the plum tree, and he literally left the plum tree to find the second peach tree. I think it is beneficial to have your trees of the same variety next to each other. That way the bees don't have like a long way to go. If this is not fascinating to you guys, see, he went over there to the plum tree, and it wasn't the same kind of, I guess, what they get, same kind of pollen that you get, that he was getting at the peach tree, and he finally flew away. But he had been out here for a while, y'all. Good job to the bees.